Hello friends, welcome to Intellective Tech. So this is our first TCS NQT preparation video. As you all know, registration of TCS NQT has been started. If you have not registered yet, then registration videos link is given in the I button. Watch that videos and register yourself first. This is first question based on pattern printing. So TCS NQT asks pattern based questions also. Even these questions also has been asked in TCS NQT. Okay, so let's discuss how to solve this question. So you will be given a positive integer n. So here n value is 5 and you have to print pattern based on given format. So there is 5 line. Okay, so first line there is 1, then second line there is 3 star 2, a third line there is 4 star 5 star 6 and so on. If you observe this pattern, so this is something like this, that is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n value is 5, so there is 5 line in this pattern. In every line numbers are separated with a star. If n value is 6, then pattern will look like this. So for every value you have to generate the pattern in the given format. So this is the format of pattern you can observe here. So one more thing you have to observe in this pattern. So for every odd line numbers are in ascending order. For every even line numbers are in descending order. So here you can see that at line 2, that is line number even, so numbers are in descending order, that is 3 star 2. If you talk about line 3, so line 3 is odd, so numbers are in ascending order. Line 4 is even, so numbers are in descending order. Line 5 is odd, so numbers are in ascending order. Okay, so this is our first step. So here n equal to 5. So first of all we will iterate loop from int I equal to 1 to 5. Okay, in every iteration we will check if I modulo division 2 double equal to 0. That means if I is even, then we will print the numbers in descending order separated with a star. Here you can see that in the pattern. If I value is 2, so then we will print 3 star 2 in descending order. If this condition will be false, then we will come to else block. Okay, so here we will print the numbers in ascending order separated with stars. Now how we will print the numbers according to given format. Now observe the odd lines first, that is line 1, line 3 and line 5. Okay, so we are printing 1 at line 1. If you talk about line 3, so we are ending with 6. So what is 6? 6 is the sum of first 3 natural numbers. So at line 3, sum of first 3 natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. That is 6. At line 5 we are ending with 15. So what is 15? 15 is the sum of first 5 natural number. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So we are ending with 15. Now observe the even lines, that is line number 2 and line number 4. So we are starting with 3. What is 3? 3 is the sum of first 2 natural number, that is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And if you talk about 4, line number 4, so we are starting with 10. So what is 10? 10 is the sum of first 4 natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. So here in this pattern, if I value is even, then we are starting with sum of first I natural numbers. If I value is odd, then we are ending with sum of first I natural numbers. Okay, where I is the line number. So first of all we will find the sum of first I natural numbers. Okay, so at every iteration here we are using formula to finding the sum of first I natural numbers, that is I into I plus 1 by 2. So if I value is 1, then sum will hold 1. If I value is 2, then sum will hold 3. If I value is 3, then sum will hold 6 and so on. Okay, here we are taking variable x for loop iteration. Okay, initially it is holding 0. After that we will check if I modulo division 2 double equal to 0. Here I is the line number. So if line number is even, then we will print the number in descending order separated with a star. If this condition is false, then we will come to else block and we will print the numbers in ascending order separated with star. Now let's see how these two inner loops are working. Okay, so let's suppose I value is 2, which is even. So let's write here I equal to 2. So what is the sum of first two natural numbers? That will be 3. So sum will hold 3. Okay, we will come to this line. If I modulo division 2 double equal to 0, so I value is 2. 2 modulo division 2 double equal to 0, condition is true. So we will come to this line for x equal to sum. So what is value of sum? Sum value is 3. So we will initialize 3 in x. Okay, in loop. Then x greater than sum minus I. Sum value is 3 and I value is 2. So sum minus I, 3 minus 2, that will become 1. So x greater than 1, and in every iteration we are decrementing value of x by 1. Now x value is 3 and x greater than 1 and x minus minus. So first of all we will print 3 star and then x value will decrement, so it will become 2. Then you will print 2 and then x value will become 1. So x greater than 1 condition is false, so we will exit from this loop. Okay, so if has been already executed, so else will not execute and this control will go to upper loop and I value will increment by 1. Now I value will become 3. So let's understand how else block will execute. Then I show you the complete code. Okay. So let's suppose I value is 3. So what is the sum of first three natural numbers? So that will be 6. Okay. So sum will hold 6. Okay. So first of all, it will check 3 modulo region 2 double equal to 0. So I value is odd. So the condition will be false. So we will come to else block. So here we are saying x equal to sum minus I plus 1. So sum value is 6. So 6 minus I value is 3. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3 and plus 1, that is 4. So x will hold 4 here if I value will be 3, that is at line 3, and x less than equal to 6, that is sum is 6. So x less than equal to 6. So we are going from 4 to 6, that is this loop will iterate 3 times. Okay, in every iteration we are incrementing the value of x by 1. So in first iteration we will print 4, then we have to print star. Then in second iteration we will print 5, then we will print star, then at third iteration we will print 6. Okay, and when x value will be 7, then we will exit from this loop, because 7 less than equal to 6 condition will be false, then we will exit from this loop. So same like that, these two blocks will work for other I values also. Okay, so let me show the complete code that will clear you more. This is the complete code. I show you the another version of this code, but in this code we are using if and else block in both inner loops. In both for loop, the else block will execute at the last iteration and we will simply print x, because at end we do not need any star, and remaining iteration we will print x appending with star, and this all in this also we will print x and appending with star. So this is quite lengthy, so let me show you the another version of this code. You can do this also to print the same pattern. That is, you have to iterate the loop one time less, and after exiting from this loop you can print simply x, and in this also you will iterate the loop one time less, and after exiting from this loop you can simply print x, and inside this loop you can print x star. In this also you can print x star. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. This code is available on my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Go through that link to get the code and join my Telegram channel for more preparation materials. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.